Gary Reinhardt for MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're looking at the Pro 248 Bay. As you can see, this one's equipped with the beautiful black gel coat, matching T-top underside, also equipped with the Motor Guide XI5 trolling motor wireless, optional pads up front on the bow. Moving aft, nice little seat on the front of the console, leaning post, this one's got the optional Mercury Verado 300 horsepower supercharged engine. Moving aboard, you can see the pressurized live well aft, fish box to starboard, lots of room on the dash for electronics, plenty of room there. Electronics box up top, all LED lighting, folding rear bench seat, enough room in the console for a porta potty if needed. Moving forward, we have rod holder and storage both sides. Underneath the removable pad, we have the second pressurized live well, along with another large fish box and anchor locker. Trolling motor plug with trim switch for lots of room. Lots of fishing area up here on the deck. Nice wide walkways, plenty of room to fish. For more information on this Pro 248 Bay, please give me a call. This is Gary Reinhardt, MarineMax Clearwater, 727-510-1167. Thank you.